Okay, so after we've made orthotics for a patient, we want to make sure that it's balanced properly, and we're going to add rear foot post, which is part of session 3. This is the material that we use for post. It's a hard EVA material, and the orthotic, which is made properly but unstable, we want to now stabilize it. The way we do it is we add material to the heel by first gluing it, and then we're going to take that glued material and put it into a hot source, and once it gets hot enough, we're going to actually compress it onto our material here. And the purpose of the post is to stabilize the orthotic in the frontal plane, and then we also will make it thicker on a shorter side if there is a limb length discrepancy. So the orthotic post actually should be maybe 1 centimeter distal to your contact point in your heel, and that might change based on the kind of shoe the patient is wearing. But now it's gotten very soft, and we press that onto the heel. And after it's pressed onto the heel, and we can do that in our lab at the college, and after you've got it on there and it's nice and soft and it adheres to the heel of your orthotic, we're now going to have the material, but the orthotic obviously is too thick in the heel and unstable. Now we're going to take it on our grinding wheel, grind our edges down, and then we're going to grind the bottom so it gets nice and stabilized. Take the video and just shoot right down here from where my eyes are. Take it away. We're trying to get the plane even. And once we have it planed the way we want to, hopefully your orthotic will be nice and stable. You will have a chance to do this on your own orthotics in our own laboratory at the school.